Hi students, let's see the detail about very important life cycle of a plant, also called as the seed germination. As we all know that a new plant comes from a small seed. So basically the process in which seed changes or grows into a new plant is called as germination of seed. There are some conditions required for the germination, which are water, air, and warmth. If seed is sown and these conditions are met, then seed starts to grow. Upon the germination, roots appear first. The developing baby plant gets its food from the seed leaves called as cotyledons. We have already discussed in the previous video. You may find its link in the description given below. Next, the shoot appears and young plant develops. This plant will now make its own food in order to grow more. Then, after some time, seed leaves drop off and the young plant starts to grow well. Here it needs water, sunlight, and air to make its own food and develop into an adult plant. So this was all about seed germination. See you with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Bye.